At Kennedy Space Center, anticipation fills the air as NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, towers over Launch Pad 39B. The floodlights cast long shadows, illuminating the immense scale of this engineering marvel. All eyes are on the Cape, where history is about to be made once again. This rocket, with the Orion spacecraft atop, is set to return humans to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. The Artemis program represents a new chapter in lunar exploration, building on the legacy of Apollo and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The wet dress rehearsal for Artemis II is underway, the final, full-scale test before launch. Every system, every valve, and every connection is scrutinized as the team simulates the countdown and fueling procedures that will soon send astronauts beyond Earth's orbit. SLS stands taller than the Statue of Liberty, a gleaming symbol of human ambition. Its powerful engines and advanced technology are the result of years of innovation and dedication. Memories of the Saturn V linger, but now, a new generation prepares to take the next step. The echoes of past triumphs inspire today's engineers and astronauts, fueling their determination to reach farther than ever before. The world is watching as thousands of engineers, technicians, and specialists unite for this critical rehearsal. Their expertise and teamwork are the backbone of Artemis, ensuring every detail is accounted for. In the control rooms, teams monitor every system, ready to respond to any challenge. The atmosphere is tense but focused, as every second brings them closer to launch. February 2, 2026, marks the threshold of a new era in exploration. As dawn breaks over the Cape, the promise of discovery and adventure fills the horizon. Artemis II isn't just a mission, it's the gateway to future lunar landings and a sustainable presence on the moon. It paves the way for international collaboration and the next generation of explorers. The wet dress rehearsal is the team's final exam, where theory meets reality. Every procedure is practiced, every contingency planned for. As the countdown clock ticks relentlessly forward, the quiet hum of machinery signals the calm before the storm. In these moments, the weight of history and the hope for the future are felt by all. Soon, the pad will erupt with a roar of engines, marking humanity's bold return to deep space. The Artemis era is about to begin, carrying our dreams and ambitions beyond the Earth. The Kennedy team stands ready as the world holds its breath. The countdown to a new dawn has begun. A wet dress rehearsal is the ultimate launch day simulation. The team loads the rocket's tanks with super-cold liquid hydrogen and oxygen, hundreds of thousands of gallons, just as they will for launch. Engineers monitor for leaks, pressure changes, and structural responses as the rocket is fueled. The countdown runs to T-minus 9.34 seconds, just before engine ignition, then halts. This full stress test challenges both the launch team and the rocket systems. Controllers practice handling glitches and holds, building confidence and muscle memory. Every step is rehearsed, ensuring the Artemis II crew will launch with a well-practiced team behind them. It's the final safety check before aiming for the moon. Even the most advanced rocket is at the mercy of the weather. No matter how much technology we develop, the forces of nature always have the final say when it comes to launching into space. The Artemis II team recently postponed a rehearsal due to poor conditions. A reminder that safety comes first. Every decision is made with crew and vehicle safety as the top priority, and sometimes that means waiting for the right moment. Wind, both at ground level and aloft, can stress the rocket and launch tower. Gusts can sway the rocket, making it unsafe to proceed, and high-altitude winds can affect the rocket's trajectory. Lightning is a constant threat, with the pad acting as a giant lightning rod. A single strike could damage sensitive electronics or even trigger a catastrophic event. Super cold propellants can cause ice to form on the rocket. Too much ice is dangerous. Ice can break off during launch, potentially damaging the rocket or its engines. Engineers monitor temperature and humidity to keep ice within safe limits. They use advanced sensors and real-time data to make critical decisions before liftoff. Every launch has strict weather criteria. If any are unmet, the attempt is scrubbed. This can mean hours or even days of waiting, but it's a necessary part of the process. Practicing weather holds and scrubs is as vital as a perfect countdown. Teams rehearse these scenarios to ensure everyone knows exactly what to do when the weather doesn't cooperate. These rehearsals ensure the team can safely detank and reset for the next try. Every step is carefully choreographed to protect both people and hardware. Respect for nature is essential when launching humanity's most powerful rockets. In the end, patience and preparation are just as important as engineering and innovation. The wet dress rehearsal is a 2-day meticulously planned operation. It starts with the launch team powering up SLS and Orion, verifying every system. Propellant lines are chilled, then the core stage is filled with liquid oxygen and hydrogen. Frost forms on the tanks, a visible sign of progress. Engineers monitor data for leaks or anomalies throughout the process. The upper stage, ICPS, is fueled next. The countdown accelerates as final checks are made. Engines, navigation, electronics. Astronauts aren't aboard, but their procedures are simulated. Built-in holds allow teams to resolve issues and confirm readiness. The terminal count, the final 10 minutes, hands control to automated systems. At T-minus 9.34 seconds, the sequence halts. Afterward, the team safely drains the propellant, practicing detanking. Every step is rehearsed to perfection for launch day. Why rehearse so thoroughly? Because this time, there are people on board. Artemis II's crew of 4 demands absolute certainty in every system and procedure. The wet dress rehearsal is the closest simulation to launch, testing hardware and the human team under real pressure. Controllers practice communication, problem-solving, and response to simulated issues. Every SLS rocket is unique. This is the first time this specific vehicle is fully fueled and tested. The rehearsal verifies that all components work together under extreme conditions. It's about building confidence for engineers, controllers, and astronauts alike. At NASA, test as you fly is sacred. This rehearsal is the ultimate proof of readiness. For the first time in over 50 years, a crew is assigned to a lunar mission. Commander Reid Wiseman, a veteran astronaut, leads the team. Victor Glover, pilot, brings experience from SpaceX's Crew Dragon and will be the first person of color on a lunar mission. Christina Koch, mission specialist, holds the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman and will be the first woman to travel to the moon. Jeremy Hansen, from the Canadian Space Agency, is the first non-American to fly to the moon. This diverse, international crew embodies the spirit of Artemis. Their skills and backgrounds make them the perfect team to reopen the lunar frontier. They carry the hopes of a new generation of explorers. Together, they represent a global step forward in space exploration. The real drama of a wet dress rehearsal unfolds behind the scenes, where every detail is meticulously planned and executed. It's a symphony of preparation, anticipation, and teamwork, all hidden from the public eye. The launch pad glows under floodlights, the SLS rocket venting white vapor as it chills for fueling. The scene is both beautiful and tense, with the rocket standing tall, bathed in artificial light, ready for its moment. The air hums with the constant whir of machinery, punctuated by the deep rumble of cryogenic liquids pumping through massive pipes. Steam and vapor swirl around the pad, creating an atmosphere charged with energy and expectation. Inside the Launch Control Center, a sea of consoles displays torrents of data. Dozens of screens flicker with numbers and graphs, each one telling a story of the rocket's health and readiness. Controllers speak in calm, precise language, every word scripted for clarity. Their voices are steady, but beneath the surface you can sense the weight of responsibility they carry. As tanking begins, the pad vibrates with energy. Periodic whooshes signal valves releasing pressure. Each sound is a sign that the process is unfolding exactly as it should. In the final minutes, Tension peaks. Eyes glued to screens, breaths held as the countdown ticks down. Every second feels stretched, every heartbeat amplified. The public address announcer's voice marks the final seconds, echoing through the control room and across the launch site, uniting everyone in a single moment of focus. At cutoff, a quiet exhale sweeps the room. Relief and pride mingle as the team realizes they've met another milestone. The test is complete, data captured, and the team's readiness proven. Engineers quickly review the results, already thinking ahead to the next challenge. These sights and sounds are the heartbeat of a mission, the rhythm that drives Artemis forward. Each rehearsal brings Artemis II closer to launch, forging a path to the moon with every carefully orchestrated step. Artemis II is more than a flight around the moon. It's a step toward humanity's future in space. Unlike Apollo, Artemis aims for a permanent lunar outpost, not just flags and footprints. The moon is our testbed for living and working in deep space, preparing us for Mars. Solving lunar challenges, habitats, resource mining, long-duration missions, directly informs Mars exploration. The push to the moon drives innovation that benefits life on Earth, from medicine to robotics. Artemis is an engine of progress, inspiring the Artemis generation to dream big. This mission is a pivotal moment for humanity's journey beyond Earth. It's about exploration, discovery, and our place in the universe. Artemis II is the next chapter in our story of reaching for the stars. The journey to Mars begins here. As the Artemis team reviews rehearsal data, the dream of returning to the moon feels closer than ever. 4 explorers will soon loop around our celestial neighbor, blazing a trail for future missions. Their journey honors Apollo's legacy and launches a new era of exploration. Artemis II's success will pave the way for lunar landings, the lunar gateway, and eventually, Mars. We're not just going back, we're moving forward. Space exploration is a shared human adventure. What excites you most about our return to the moon? Share your thoughts below.